Kayali has done it again. We have a new fragrance to talk about. I already went and picked up mine, and I'm here to share my first impressions with you guys, so definitely stay tuned. What's up, Stushy, and welcome back to another video. If you're OG Triple SG, thank you so much for continuously supporting my channel. Y'all already know how I feel about y'all, and if you guys are new, I hope you decide to subscribe and become a part of the Stush gang. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. My handle is the exact same as my YouTube, at the Stush Life. Be sure to follow me on my other platforms, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. So you guys have already read the title. I know you guys are here to get my first impressions on the newest Kayali Boujee Marshmallow 81, but before we get into it, I just want to share a couple details about my look. My earrings are from Shein. You can't really see my necklace right now, so I guess I don't have to mention that. Both my rings are pretty much thrifted. Nails done by me, a little gel manicure, and then for today's makeup, I did my everyday makeup routine. I'm still finalizing my fall winter makeup routine to share with you guys, so be on the lookout for that. Also be sure to share my lip combination. A few of you guys might be interested in that, but I'll share all those details down below with links, so feel free to check out the description box. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into the newest fragrance from Kayali. So Kayali just launched yet another fragrance. I'm always excited whenever Kayali reviews and shares that they're launching a new fragrance. This one just hit the shelves in Sephora and on Kayali's website, and of course I got my hands on it. It actually shipped a lot sooner than I thought it would, but I'm excited because that means we can finally open it up, smell it, and share our thoughts. Say hello to the newest Kayali Boujee Marshmallow 81. Intense. It is an eau de parfum. I'm not French, so please don't kill me about the pronunciation, but it is an EDP. I did go ahead and pick one up. So I typically go ahead and pick up a mini, and then based on how I feel about it, I'll go ahead and really splurge and get a full size. But a lot of you guys know I have a lot of fragrances in my collection, so unless I'm like really obsessed, I'm not gonna get a full size. I'll stick with my mini, and then once I finish it, I'll decide if I want to upgrade. This is the Kayali Boujee Marshmallow 81. It took them 81 tries to get the juice right on this one, so I'm super excited. I did go ahead and get the diamond bottle because I have almost every single Kayali, and I just love the diamond bottle. The signature bottle is just so beautiful in my opinion. I don't really love the travel sprays, the elongated travel sprays, that packaging that much, so I went ahead and picked this one up. So before we open this up, I want to get into the notes, get into the price, and then we'll open it up, give it a smell, and then I'll share what fragrances I think it might pair really well with. So let's do just that. So starting off at the top, this is coming directly from Sephora site. Fragrance family is warm and spicy. I love me a warm and spicy. Scent type warm and sweet gourmand. Keynotes include strawberry, pink marshmallow, whipped vanilla, decadent freesia, flaky coconut, and pink musk. Bougie, fluffy, and delicious. This luxurious scent will linger with sweet temptation with every spritz. And I've already mentioned this is the signature bottle, and the number 81 indicates that number of rounds of formulations it took to achieve the perfect juice. Mona Katan, the owner of Kayali, mentions, as a gourmand lover, I have always been addicted to sweet and delicious fragrances that make me smell like my favorite desserts. To make this juice tempting, we added fresh strawberries, whipped vanilla cream, and flaky coconut, making this one of our most irresistible scents to date. I'm excited. I low-key feel like I might need a full-size bottle, but let's just take it one step at a time. Let's unbox her and let's see how we really feel about the smell. So again, I did get the mini. This is what the bottle looks like, the signature diamond-shaped bottle with an opulent jewel cap. And this bottle is inspired by Middle Eastern oud bottles. Let's go ahead and unbox her, shall we? Not gonna lie, I was all over their Instagram when they were promoting this, and my OGs know that I love anything berries, anything with berries, so I was like, oh, this is a no-brainer. I have to pick it up. Strawberry is like one of the main notes, so here we are. Ooh, how cute is this bottle? It's a frosted mini bottle. It has this very light pink shade on it. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. You could see how much juice you have from the outside compared to some of the black bottles like the oud scents that she has came out with. But let's go ahead and take the top off. I'm excited. Ooh, I'm not wearing any fragrance right now, so I'm literally gonna just go ahead and spray my wrist. Ooh, ooh. I get that, ooh. I'm dramatic, y'all, but like this really does smell good. I feel like just from initial spray, I got the strawberry right away, I got the musk right away, and I got that coconut right away. But I'm also getting that whipped vanilla, and it's like very particular. It's whipped, kind of like heavy whipping cream in a sense. I really like that. I'm trying to figure out, okay, I'm not really getting this warm and spicy. In fragrance family, I mean, kind of, sort of. That does smell really good though. It isn't as intense as I thought it would be, but the scent is very present, but it's not like in your face, if that makes sense. But it does smell really nice. It is kind of light. It's light, but it's present. Like, it's very, I don't want to say soft, because I feel like soft would indicate that you don't really smell it. It's very playful. I feel like it's not too bold, if that makes sense. Kind of sweet, but definitely not overbearing. The marshmallow is also present. I forgot to mention the marshmallow. It literally smells like something that you would eat. If you've watched any of the videos on Mona's Instagram or on Kayali's Instagram, but you literally see them eating marshmallow, pink marshmallow, and that's what I get from this scent. Definitely a gourmand. I don't really get much of that freesia. I feel like what I'm smelling the most is the strawberry, the pink marshmallow, and the whipped vanilla. I feel like the coconut has kind of disappeared on me, but I did get that on the initial spray. And the pink musk, just a little bit. I get a little bit of the musk. I don't really smell the coconut at all anymore. And the freesia, I'm not really picking that up either. But it does smell really good. I could see myself getting a full size of this. Am I running to get a full size of it right away? Don't get me wrong, it smells really good, but just because I have so many fragrances, I think I'm going to use the travel spray first, and then I could clear out maybe like 2 fragrances in my current collection. I will go ahead and pick up a full size of this. I definitely feel like this is something that I would get a full size of. Hopefully that's making sense, but it does smell really good. It does smell really good. I can't even lie, it smells really good, but I'm not really surprised. Again, I mentioned that I have a lot of Kayali fragrances, and there may be like 1 or 2 that are not my favorite, but this one is really, really nice. Definitely like a feminine fragrance, definitely kind of soft, definitely sweet, not too overbearing though. I feel like this is something you would walk by and another female would be like, oh, you smell really nice. Your boo thing would be like, oh, you smell real edible, you smell very decadent. That's what it gives. If you're into smelling like dessert, if you're into smelling like a snack, this is definitely one of them. It falls into that category of fragrances for sure. If you're a gourmand girl, you would definitely, I think, like this. Just FYI, the mini diamond bottle retails for $32. The travel spray, the elongated travel spray, retails for $29. The 1.7 fluid ounce retails for $100, and then the 3.4 ounce retails for $138. So I picked this one up for $32. But I want to share some fragrances that I have in my collection that I think would pair really, really nicely with the Kayali Boujee Marshmallow 81. I have 2 Kayalis in my collection that I feel like would pair really nicely with this, in addition to another fragrance. So the first one that I think would pair really nicely with the newest Kayali Boujee Marshmallow 81 is the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelati 81. I mean, it's another yum. It falls in the same line, the same category of Kayali fragrances. This Kayali Pistachio Gelato 33 actually has whipped cream and marshmallow as one of the keynotes, and it also has cotton candy, and I feel like cotton candy falls kind of like in the same line as the marshmallow. They're not the same, but it's sweet. That's the vibe that both of these give. So I feel like these two would pair really, really nicely together. Madness and badness combination. And then the second Kayali that I think would pair really nicely with the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81 is Kayali Musk 12. Now, I haven't been able to find this on Sephora's website. I have to double check if it's still on Kayali's site. This is literally top 3 in my Kayali collection, and it's definitely not 3. I really love this fragrance. I also have the mini, but this is how far I've gotten in my big body. I love her down. But this musk is really good, and I feel like it would enhance the Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81 just a little bit, and it also shares the same notes of the musk. So I feel like these two would really work really, really nicely together. And then the last fragrance that I could see myself layering the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81 with is actually a fragrance from LATTAFA. This is the YARA LATTAFA perfume. I have a full review on this fragrance on my channel. You guys have kind of been eating it up, so I'll leave that linked up above and down below for you guys to check out. This is another soft, feminine, playful scent, and I feel like it would pair really, really well with this one, the Kayali. I don't remember the notes of this off the top of my head, so I feel like just from the bottles you could kind of see where I'm going with this. A lot of people have said this is pretty close to Burberry Her, so if you have that, can understand the scent profile. But I feel like this would work really, really well with the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81, and I have plans to mix them together. I have plans to layer two together. So be prepared to see me layering all these three, the newest Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81. But overall, all in all, I do really enjoy the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81. It is a nice, fun, playful, feminine fragrance. It is a gourmand. I love me a gourmand. I love smelling edible. It is a really nice fragrance. You do smell like candy, but not like a clawing candy, if that makes sense. You smell like a nice pink fluffy marshmallow, and I'm 100% here for that. So if that sounds like something that you're into, I think that you would really enjoy this fragrance. Overall, I really enjoy this fragrance so far, and I cannot wait to start layering it with some of the others that I shared in my collection. But that's really it for today's video. I just wanted to come on here and really quickly share my first impressions on the newest Kayali fragrance, the Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81. If you guys have already picked this fragrance up, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, be sure to leave your girl a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, be sure to also subscribe and join the Stush gang, and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at the Stush Life. If you have a friend that you think would enjoy my content, or you have a friend that is thinking about picking this fragrance up, definitely share this video with them. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and until the next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.